What's up everybody? Welcome to Hackdroid Crypto, and today we're going to be talking about something really exciting called MicroMoney. MicroMoney is the first decentralized credit bureau, and if you guys are familiar with finance at all, you know what a big deal decentralizing a credit bureau means. That means access to credit for third world countries and people that need credit that have never had access to it in the past. That's almost tectonic, so I'm going to dive right into the quick overview of their website, show you guys a little bit. I'll share my thoughts, and let's just dive right into it. You can see initially when you land on the MicroMoney homepage, part of what they try to emphasize here, and what I'd like to emphasize as well, is they are a global organization. So if you look at the top right here, you're going to see that, in fact, they are in all of these different countries, and they are trying to eliminate poverty through their lending services. It's a bold statement right up front. This mission, the reason, as I've said before, that I'm reviewing this is because I believe that this is a bold mission, and if it can be accomplished, I can get behind this 100%.
Do you know that about 2 billion people only use cash? They are unbanked. They don't have credit histories. They could not become bank customers. That means that global economy is losing potential billions of working capital. Our mission is to solve this problem. MicroMoney is a global decentralized digital credit bureau. We give unbanked people an opportunity to build their credit history. We also help banks and insurance companies to reduce financial risks while issuing loans. They can get access to our credit rating database for a fee. MicroMoney Company involves new streams of money to the global economy. We have developed a universal system of rapid assessment for creditworthiness of a client. Now, there is no need to collect a large number of documents to confirm ability of loan repayment. All needed is to install MicroMoney application on a smartphone. Application is based on neural networks, machine learning, and big data. After launching, our scoring self-learning system analyzes the data from the borrower's smartphone and identifies potential credit risks with an accuracy of more than 95%. After that, program makes a decision to issue a loan or not. We have processed more than 95,000 unique registrations, got more than 500,000 likes on Facebook within 1 year of operations. For 9 people out of 10, it was the first loan of their lives. 73% of these people came back for a new borrow. MicroMoney operates in Cambodia, Myanmar, and Thailand. We plan to expand, first to Asia, then across the world. We have a ready scalable franchise model. Over the next 4 months, we open up to the markets of Indonesia, Sri Lanka, and the Philippines. By 2020, the capitalization of MicroMoney will be $1 billion. Read our white paper and join the token crowd sale.
My favorite part of this website is definitely their graph, just because it does a really good job of showing like the volumes of each of these places and how the graph goes up and to the right. You know, obviously it looks great for investors, but I just like how they did this design. It's really, really well done. And the fact that they're claiming that in 2020 they're going to hit the 1 billion market cap is impressive. It's definitely a big goal, and I always respect people that kind of lay out the path to reaching their goals on their homepage when they're doing something like a token sale. But yeah, love this graph. It really shows, okay, this is the step-by-step process in which we're going to reach 1 billion market cap. Mobile first. I've talked about this in previous videos. Taking a mobile first approach for this generation is pretty much key to success, because our generation, I'm sure a lot of you guys are even watching this video right now on your mobile device. So it's just sort of proof saying that this is the right approach. And I really like the idea of finance and borrowing money being available readily on your cell phone. And I think that there have been a lot of companies that have tried this type of approach on desktop. I've only heard of a few that have tried it on mobile, but by far MicroMoney going after the 2 billion unbanked using the cell phone first is pretty brilliant, in my opinion. And I think that they're definitely onto something with blockchain oriented apps to lend money. And you can see in 2013 they raised 30K. They started to develop the Decentralized Credit Bureau in 2016, and now they have a hefty goal of all of these companies in reaching 1.5 or 1.85 million, which is pretty substantial. And then the big audacious goal here of reaching the 1 billion by 2020. Love it. Love the fact that they're placing their goal, 3 years out. I always like when people describe how they're getting there. Overall, strong team. Love the concept. Love that they're bringing finance and credit to 2 billion people that need it, and using the blockchain to get there through being trustworthy and being open source and just letting everybody know what's going on. That to me is worth every bit that I'm putting into this. That does it for my quick overview of MicroMoney. Overall, I think it's an extremely disruptive technology, doing the mobile first approach, going after 2 billion people. They show that really great graph of kind of a breakdown of the different countries they're going after and the sizes and how they're going to double their size in the next couple of years. And I love the fact that it's not condensed into like a small little space. It's over a long period of time. They've already been in operation for a little over a year, but their pre-sale started in October 2017 on the 18th. So they're still ramping up. They've sold a lot of tokens so far. And overall, I'm really excited about the project. To get involved, I'm pumped. Just the idea of getting 2 billion people into the financial industry and letting them have access to credit with power by the blockchain, that's a big deal for someone like me, especially who really aspires to get as many people into finance as possible. But that does it for my review. If you guys were wondering about my shirt, League of Cryptos, this is an awesome shirt that was sent to me by a small company called Game of Cryptos that sells cryptocurrency t-shirts. I'll put their link in the description as well. But overall, highly recommend MicroMoney. Check it out. And I'm going to put their link in the description right below so you guys can check them out. But that does it. I will see you guys on the next review.